Friday, March 8th. We're attempting to leave Playa Los Cocos and go around the corner to Playa El Burro. Rich,
will we make it?
what are the conditions today?
We probably should have looked.
What are those old people doing?
They're taking chances that they should not.
What were they thinking?
We're Rich and Robin,
And these are our midlife adventures.
living in and out of our midlife van.
After spending a nice day in the oasis town of San Ignacio, we head further south through Mulege to one of our favorite spots, Bahia Concepcion. When we arrived, the water conditions were near perfect, so we decided to kayak to the new hidden bar on the beach next door. Time to go check out the new bar over at Playa Escondida. Rich, this is like glass.
It is nice and smooth.
Rich, where are we going?
Robin, let's go to the bar.
We're going to the bar.
Yeah.
A bar.
Escondida?
Playa Escondida has a new bar.
Yeah. So just around this little finger here.
Yeah. Kayak around the corner. We're gonna kayak around the corner. And what? Have a drink?
Yeah, let's have a drink.
Okay, let's go.
If we have too many drinks, is it drunk driving if you're on a kayak?
Might be. Last March, there was a ton of grass right here. Isn't that crazy?
I was just wondering if it's more over to the left here, but yeah, I think it was all here.
It was all in here last year. I mean, there's little baby.
But there, I mean, it was grass was like all the way up to
Yeah,
the top of the wall.
that's crazy. How it can change like
Where'd it
that.
go?
Well, I'm shadowing him now. There he is in the shadow. Oh, yeah. The yellow ones with the stripes.
Yeah, there was millions of them over there. Just kept coming into the rocks over there.
Should have got the line. So in Toronto.
Can't hear you. Robin, she's an angry sea.
Tipsy. Give me my life jacket. Oh, it's a wet life jacket.
Yeah, I didn't wet it.
You didn't wet it. I hope not.
It is pre-wetted. It's still probably shallow around the rocks over there, so be careful.
Look at the sun.
I see it up there. Look at those clouds up by the sun.
Yeah, I saw that.
So one margarita, huh, Robin?
I had the margarita, Rich, and I was done for.
Oh my gosh.
That was an hour ago. Really.
Okay, hold on. Let's stop for a sec up here.
Is it gonna rain?
It's not supposed to.
Let me flip it around and get it close. Another reason why we love Baja, just a pop-up bar that happened a few months ago, 3 months ago, 2 months ago, this pop-up bar, and here we are are meeting new people.
And not even new people, there's like people that follow us.
Yes, and people that are here on sailboats from Washington.
There's people that
are
are
in their cars that are
that drove down
from Southern California.
Yeah. And so it's so cool.
No name bar. Apply it as can be beverage.
How cool are these kayaks, Robin? That I mean, it would. I would think that this is a little too rough for them, but no problem at all. Go, Robin. Go, Robin.
Work off that margarita. What?
100 pesos for a margarita. Supposedly, it's also
Strong margarita. We got back to camp and enjoyed a beautiful sunset and started dinner. Looks done, but it's also dark out here, so who knows? Friday, March 8th. We're attempting to leave Playa Los Cocos and go around the corner to Playa El Burro. Rich,
will we make it?
what are the conditions today?
We probably should have looked.
The wind was kicking up and now it's a hair down, but we probably will not have a problem getting there. But Rich,
How are we going to get back?
will we get back? What are those old people doing?
They're taking chances when they should not.
What were they thinking? Those old people should just be sitting at home in their barca-lounger. A little windy. Made it around the point. Now it's calmer, but getting back is going to be another story. Rich, we made it around the corner.
We did.
Whether we're going to make it back or not is another story.
Yeah, we'll have to see. I think we can do it, but it's not going to be.
Not going to be
super
easy. Not going to be fun.
But we can.
And it's definitely going to be wet.
I think it's going to be wet.
Let's go check out El Burro again.
It doesn't look like an ocean.
It doesn't. This isn't really the ocean. Oh! It's gotten 10 times worse since we left. Sure, day use or camp here also probably, huh?
Yeah, that's
Little rough start there, but in the boat, and now just got to deal with all the incoming little waves. Go ahead. I think we should probably stick to shore if we can. Rich,
Robin, we made it.
we made it back alive.
Yes, we did. The lake
Oru kayaks that are made for smooth,
are not, we're not
kayaking.
made for that water, but
but they handled it great.
yeah, exactly. We didn't. I mean, we got some water in it, but we were still
Not
able
much.
to keep motoring
Yeah.
through. Yeah.
As long as you go into the wake,
Yeah, don't go.
don't go sideways or else you would flip over.
Yeah.
So
But it's
Got a
been pretty
little-
good. So
got
we
a
got
little
like maybe 2.5 miles
Yeah.
of rowing, paddling, and so
now the afternoon will be relaxing.
relaxing because my arms are tired.
Of course, Rich's idea of relaxing is going out for a snorkel. Another great time in Baja when Angel brings some homemade cookies to the beach.
I got money.
Oh, here's a baggie of some.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing, Angel?
Good.
Angel, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The Cookie Master.
The Cookie Master! What do you have
See
today?
you, my friend, again. I have a cookies and I have a fresh strawberries today. Strawberries all the time, huh? 50-50. That's how it One basket? Yeah, one basket. That's a one for 60 or two for 100?
Motorcycle's running good?
Yes. You never burn the oil because that's a lot because too old. 30, yes. 30. Oh, that's right. Thank you so much, buddy.
We'll see you later.
Before I go. No, this week, 2 days more. 2 days more. Sunday or Monday? Probably Monday.
Take care.
Yes, sir.
Be safe.
Yeah.
Another reason we love Baja is our friends are great fishermen and on occasion make us some great fish for dinner.
One little bite.
What happened to it all, Robin?
John made amazing fish.
What is it?
Right there. Fish. Snapper. Fish and chips.
Some colors.
Thanks for watching. Join us for our next video as we enjoy some great weather, kayaking, and some great music locally.